Here is where my search for power and immortality begins. The twisting of nature is my first step toward becoming the most powerful being in this universe and beyond. Finally, my search is over. I feel the power of the glowing skull of souls surging through my veins and giving me what I so crave. Immortality!
Oh, I'm sorry. It was like
My search for the legendary glowing skull of souls has led me here into the depths of this jungle. It is said that those who harness the power of the skull possess the ability to create new life.